Story: Ravi's new language journey. Ravi was always curious about other cultures. One day, he decided to learn English to explore the world. He bought a small dictionary and started learning one new word every day. At first, he felt a little nervous, but he stayed confident and practiced in front of a mirror. He listened to English songs and watched subtitled movies. Slowly, he built a good vocabulary. One day, he met a tourist in his town. With a big smile, Ravi started a conversation. The tourist was impressed and said, "Your English is great." Ravi felt proud he had turned his dream into reality. Vocabulary list: curious, eager to learn or know something. Explore, to travel or learn more about something new. Dictionary, a book or app that tells word meanings. Nervous, feeling a little scared or worried. Confident, believing in yourself. Subtitled, showing words at the bottom of a movie or video. Vocabulary, a collection of words you know and use. Smile, a happy expression on the face, impressed, feeling good about someone's skills or work. Conversation, a talk between two or more people. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.